Hey there, friend. Are you in the same situation as I am right now, locked out of your house and not sure what to do? If so, don't worry, you're watching the right video. I'm going to show you a simple way to deal with this problem. Don't ask where I got the tools. You can easily borrow them from a neighbor or someone nearby. So stay tuned. This might just save your day. First, prepare 2 rivet pins. These will be the main tools we'll use to unlock the door. Next, grab a hammer. This will be used to flatten the rivets. The goal here is to make both rivet pins thin and flat enough so they can easily fit into the keyhole. Make sure not to flatten them too much or too little. They should fit snugly, not too tight and not too loose. Once both rivet pins are properly flattened to the right size, you're ready to move on to the next step, which is trying the trick to unlock the door using these simple tools. After I finished making the tool, I left it for a moment, hoping the door would magically open on its own. But of course, that didn't happen. Now, watch closely and follow along. Take the 2 rivet pins that you've already flattened and insert them gently into the keyhole. Then, start wiggling the rivets while applying slight pressure and turning them in the direction the lock normally opens. This method is actually quite easy. If I weren't recording and explaining at the same time, I could probably open this door in under a minute. And please remember, this information is not to be misused. Do not use this technique for anything illegal or criminal. It is intended strictly for emergency situations or educational purposes only. And there it is. The door is open. As you can see, this type of lock is surprisingly easy to open without a key. So, if your house still uses this kind of locking system, I strongly recommend upgrading to a more modern and secure one. If you still want to use it, at least consider using it only for interior doors like bedroom doors, where security isn't as critical.